Meaning of deference.
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 Deference. The word deference refers to a show of respect or submission to someone or something. It can be demonstrated through actions or words that convey a willingness to yield to another person's authority or opinion. Deference can be expressed in various settings, such as in social interactions, workplace situations, or political contexts. By showing deference, individuals acknowledge the importance or expertise of another person and accept their leadership or guidance. However, excessive deference can also be detrimental if it leads to acquiescence or passivity in decision-making processes.